Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the phone and framing fast. First, clean the lens and open the camera app. Once done, turn on grid lines so you compose using the rule of thirds. Tap to focus on your subject and hold to lock exposure. This prevents sudden brightness shifts. Make sure HDR or flash is set intentionally, flash only for low light. Adjust ratio to 16, 9 or 4, 3 depending on whether you want widescreen or full sensor detail. Now you shape the image, control light and compose deliberately. Move your subject towards soft, natural light. If outdoors, place them with the sun at a 45 degrees angle to avoid harsh shadows. Steady the phone, use 2 hands, lean on a surface, or mount a small tripod. This lowers ISO and keeps details sharp. Make incremental angle changes. Try eye level for honesty, low for drama, top down for flat lays. Each angle communicates a different story. Finish by checking and refining your captures. You should review each shot, crop and straighten, then make subtle exposure and color adjustments. Avoid heavy filters that obscure detail. Save the original file and export a high-resolution copy, then back up to cloud storage. If images are blurry or colors look off, troubleshoot. Clean the lens again, restart the camera app, or reset camera settings to default. If problems persist, try another lighting angle before retaking the photo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.